In the end of this video, you'll be able to do 11 times 27 in your head. Now, it's super easy to multiply 11 by any single digit number in your head, but what you may not know is that it's almost just easy to multiply 11 by any double digit number in your head. Say, we wanted to multiply 11 by 53. All we have to do is split this 53 apart. We'll put the 5 here and the 3 here. The number that goes in between them is the 5 plus the 3. So it's 8 and 11 times 53 is indeed 583. The only time this trick gets a little more complicated is when doing something like 11 times 69. Now, you separate the 6 and the 9, and 6 and 9 added together are 15. And you can put a 15 here. So what you do is to put the 5 here, and 1 goes here. So 11 times 69 is 759. And so with that trick in mind, what's 11 times 27? Let me know in the comment section.